All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today, we're going to be doing some light reading inside of our Moccasin favorites creating project module. So let's dive right in. So in our scripts, the Moccasin main function is special. If we have a function with this name in our script, Moccasin will run this function by default after running the script like a regular Python file. For example, we can have a script like this from src, which is our source. You want to import a counter. This is just an example. I'm going to say define deploy function counter equals counter.deploy, letting them know that this is what we want to deploy. And when we deploy, we wanted to print long-lived gates. Now, this will also be a valid Moccasin code. Now, our original code is valid Moccasin code as well. Moving forward, we will set our code up to use the Moccasin main style. This is the script that we will be using. So we have a define deploy function, and we want that to print long-lived gates. Then we're going to say define Moccasin main, which is going to be our main function, and we run it. Everything that's inside of this Moccasin main function is going to get ran. So you can see here we put the deploy function in, which holds our print long-lived gates. So in essence, when we run our script, everything inside of Moccasin main is going to run, which is this deploy function. So that means every time we run our script, we're going to print long-lived gates, because that's what the function of this deploy function is to the print long-lived gates. So that's how the Moccasin main helps us, and we can actually use it and utilize it to cut down on all of the code we have to write by simplifying things for us. Now, this is our Moccasin main script. If we try to run our script using a UV run Python script /deploy.py command in our terminal, nothing would happen. And move down a little bit. This is because we are not using the if name equals main script in our code. If we were to add it to our script like this, if name equals main, Moccasin main. So basically, it's the same thing that we're doing, except that we're going to be looking for if name equals main to access our Moccasin main, which holds our deploy function, which is going to deploy our print long-lived gates. Our file will compile. It's really up to us to decide how we want to properly set up our code. Later on in our course, we will learn about some cool tools where the Moccasin main function comes in handy to run some pretty interesting functionality. Now, we're going to leave it there, right? We can leave it right there for now. Like I said, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you any examples, but I did put the script together, the entire script for this module. So when I'm done reading everything, we'll have a look at it and see exactly what it looks like. So if you want to try to download the dependencies and libraries on your own and try to run the script to see what it looks like, or if you can get it, you're more than welcome to. Like I said, we're going to leave it there for now. Some light reading. Tomorrow we're going to pick up more light reading, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.